Well, another Latin American country has also hiked its minimum wage. Peru's outgoing president raised it to more than $300 a month, pushing Peru ahead of neighboring economies like Colombia and Brazil. CCTV's Dan Cole has more.
Signing off on a 13% wage boost, outgoing President Ollanta Humala left Peru with a parting gift. Popular with low-paid workers, the gesture stole the thunder from candidates vying for Peru's presidency in elections next month. They'd promised to raise the wage as part of their campaigns. But workers like 22-year-old Joey Pico said he had Humala to thank.
The cost of living has gone up, the price of chicken, the price of rice, all the daily necessities. So I'm grateful to Humala for the $30 more. Only he did it at the end of his government. He could have done it earlier.
Other minimum wage earners are feeling the difference.
It's not enough to live on, but for now I live with my parents. Half I spend on my university fees, and the rest I spend on personal costs and transportation.
But in Peru's largely unregulated economy, how many people actually benefit? Not much more than 1% of working Peruvians, around 300,000 people, says human resources expert Ricardo Martinez.
The vast majority of companies in this country are very small, more or less family businesses. Only 1% are large or medium-sized businesses. Obviously, in the small and micro businesses, 99% don't pay the minimum wage.
So with around 3/4 of working Peruvians not paying tax, but also not getting benefits, does raising the minimum wage matter?
The impact in economic terms is very little. In political terms, it's clearly important. That's why this government has done it just weeks before it leaves office.
As Peru has grown economically, poverty has been slashed by half in the last decade. But despite the growth of other industries like agro-exports, Peru's economy still relies largely on mining dividends. Most people in Peru work in small, often family-run businesses like the shops and stands in this computer plaza. The common aspiration is to be your own boss, rather than a cog in a much bigger wheel. It will take more than a raise in the minimum wage to attract workers to join the formal sector. Dan Collins, CCTV, Lima.